Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and welcome back to the Video Weekly Diary series. We'll start things off with our notable events of the week. Last week marked the first full week of lockdown and also saw the end of the first quarter of the year. The total value traded in March 2020 was $6.5 billion, up 68% year on year. This is off the back of significant market volatility caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. We are continuing to see a growing percentage of on-market trading, with 63% in March, a new single-month record. Trading from retail investors was $1.1 billion in March, up 160% year-on-year, and accounted for 17% of total value traded. Total traded value for the first quarter of 2020 was $13.45 billion, a level not reached in 2019 until the 13th of May. We have effectively experienced 4.5 months of trading in 3 months. Last week, Kathmandu Holdings announced a $207 million equity raising at 50 cents per share. Kathmandu are aiming to strengthen their balance sheet and ensure that it is strongly capitalised through the current market uncertainties caused by COVID-19. Next up, our weekly recap. The total value traded for the week was $1.1 billion, with 70% of that value traded on market and a trade count of 264,000. The S&P NZX 50 rose 3.9%, closing the week at 9,935. In global markets, the S&P 500 fell 2%, while the ASX 200 rose 4.6%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. Moving on to our highs for the week. Inside the NZX 50, both New Zealand Refining Company and Gentrack Group were up 40%, while Synlait Group were up 25%. Outside of the NZX 50, Burger Fuel were up 30%, Evolve Education Group were up 24%, and NZ King Salmon were up 17%. And finally, our week ahead. We have a shortened trading week with Easter this weekend, and the NZX will be closed on Good Friday and Easter Monday. Livestock Improvement Corporation are holding their special shareholder meeting on Tuesday, where shareholders will vote on the proposed strategic investment in Afamilk. Thank you for watching the Weekly Diary video. Don't forget to check out the Weekly Diary and the links below for more information. And remember, stay safe, stay home, and be kind. Haere rā.